everybody, welcome to Drill Talk and More. So today I'm bringing you something that I refer to as the unicorn in my collection. It's something that I've been trying to get my hands on for about since it came out. It's been out for about 2 years now. If you've already seen the description or if you've seen the title of the video, you kind of know what's to be expected. So let's get right into it. So as you can see here, I have a Kimber. And this is not a true unboxing because I've already unboxed it and shot it. Just want to show you guys what it comes with. So you open the box up, you get a little carrying bag here. I'm going to move to the side. Inside you have your regular lock, Kimber branded. Comes with some recommended oil like most gun companies are doing now. It comes with a ever so cool Kimber sticker. Some Kimber laser options as far as laser grips that Kimber offers. You got your instruction manual. And then of course you have your NRA paperwork. And Kimber registration. Alright, so we'll move this box here to the side. Alright, so bring you back to focus point. Little carrying case. Open it up. And you have here the Kimber K6S. Of course, the K standing for Kimber, the 6 because it's a 6-shooter. And the S standing for stainless. Now, one thing about, I love this so much. The first time I held it, it was just so phenomenal in my hand. One thing I used to hate about revolvers was that you couldn't change the sights. Well, Kimber changed it up to where you could change the front sight and the rear sight. This one come out with the blacked out sights because this is the base model. I do have some nice sights on order, but just the overall construction of this firearm is just phenomenal. I like it. Unlike most revolvers, had oh my god, I can't even talk today. I'm sorry. How they have the grooving inside. This one kind of shaved off, which is funny because even though it's a 6-shooter, it's still pretty much slim than most other revolvers. The trigger pull, it's crisp trigger pull. All of the sharp edges on the Kimber are recessed. That makes good for concealed carrying, finding the holster. You won't get cut at all. Honestly, I really don't know too much about revolvers, other than this is my first one, and I feel like I picked a good one for this one. It's just smooth. It's, from what I've seen, it had a match grade trigger. I tried firing it. I will say 357 Magnum is very stout in this firearm. 38 is 38. Now this disc come with a DeSantis speed strip. Not bad, but I did go out and got a couple of these Kimber speed loaders. This one, if I do want to carry it, we'll see for now. But that was a quick video and a first impression, really, of the Kimber K6S. Phenomenal firearm. I like it. You'll see more about this and more upgrades about it. As always,